Too rough. Don't be so rough. You poked him in the eye.
No, I didn't.
Well, tell him. Yes, you did. Tell him sorry.
Sorry. Because
He wants you to sit next to him. Sit here.
this is open. Supposed to be open. No, he's eating now. So now, could we eat?
No hit. Tell brother sorry. Tell brother sorry. Bam. Tell brother sorry. Tell Cash sorry.
Okay. Daddy. Daddy! Not listening. Not listening.
He's not listening?
Yeah.
It runs in the family.
No, I'm shy.
You're shy? What did I tell you about playing the victim? If your brother does something and he tries to tell you he's sorry, you let him listen. You listen.
He's eating you. Stop.
There's Daddy with the num-nums. Oh, Leeward burgers. Say hi.
Hi. Dad, I want some.